Silence is stronger than noise. Sa mundo ngayon, parang mas pinapansin ang maingay. Mas malakas ang boses, mas akala nila mas malakas ang tao. Sa social media, sa trabaho, kahit sa pamilya. Ang pinakaingay ang madalas nananalo sa usapan. But Stoicism teaches us something very different. Ayon sa turo ni Marcus Aurelius, true strength does not shout. True strength is quiet, steady, and disciplined. Ang loud person ay palaging may reaction. May issue, galit agad. May criticism, depensa agad. May kaunting ego hit, sigaw agad. Sa stoic perspective, ang sobrang ingay ay hindi confidence. It is lack of inner control kapag hindi mo kayang pigilan ang emotion mo. Emotion ang kumokontrol sa'yo. The loud person wants to be seen. The loud person wants validation. The loud person wants to prove something kahit wala namang nagtatanong. Madalas, ang ingay ay hindi lakas. Ang ingay ay takot na hindi mahalaga. Takot na hindi pansinin. Takot na hindi sapat. Ang stoic person ay tahimik pero hindi mahina. Tahimik sila dahil alam nila ang halaga ng oras, salita at enerhiya. Hindi sila basta-basta nagsasalita dahil alam nila na every word has a cost. They listen first. They observe quietly. They think deeply before responding. Silence is their armor. Calmness is their power. Ang tahimik na tao ay parang malalim na dagat. Hindi mo maririnig ang alon, pero mararamdaman mo ang bigat at lalim. Why silence is power kapag tahimik ka? Mas malinaw ang isip mo, mas konti ang maling desisyon, mas konti ang regret, mas konti ang away. You don't need to win every argument to win in life. Ang taong kayang manahimik sa gitna ng provocation ay taong hindi basta-basta matitino. The loud person reacts emotionally. The stoic responds rationally. The loud person wants to be right. The stoic wants to be at peace. The loud person is controlled by people's opinions. The stoic is controlled by principles. Stoic like lesson, life is noisy. People will judge you, people will provoke you, people will misunderstand you. But remember, this is stoic truth. Not every noise deserves your reactions. Kapag natutunan mong kontrolin ang sarili mong isip, wala nang ibang makakakontrol sa'yo. Hindi ka naalipin ng galit, ego o opinyon ng iba. True strength is staying calm when everything around you is. True power is choosing silence when shouting is easier. Kung may natutunan ka sa stoic wisdom na ito, please like, share, and subscribe para sa mas marami pang content about stoicism, discipline, and inner strength. Remember, you don't need to be loud to be powerful. You don't need to shout to be strong. Stay calm, stay disciplined, stay stoic. God bless. Thank you.
Kaya mo kong na yan,